Oh, hi. Let's go! The cast, he's a free man! No! What do we do? Shut the fuck up!
Missed my train, but I got a bus, and now we eat.
Yes!
$5, 22 ouncer. Oh, we're Coke, get off your phone.
Dude, I'm really talking to work.
This fucking generation is.
Bye, Kyler. Have so much fun on the bus. Love you.
Thistle right here above you.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. Well, you.
Damn, you.
Wow. Guys, I didn't film, but we're playing King's Cup and Trinity got it.
That is not a compliment.
We can talk about it.
You got about an hour.
Oh, get fucked, you lose. Let's go, the cast, he's a free man. He's free.
Just pretend you're doing normal stuff. And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, watch this. Shopping cart.
Yeah.
And then the whole shelf, ready? He hit the lawnmower, he went.
That is what he does.
Why are you talented like that? Hey, bend over. Hey, it's going in, it's going in. I made a fucking song to this beat.
You did.
I made a song to this beat.
Wait, has you not heard it?
Nate, she said I knew.
That's what she does.
That is an alcoholic. Third person or first person will never know. 5 tequila. Okay.
Guys, they just keep talking. They just keep talking.
Oh, Susan works there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. I'm actually unemployed. Just kidding. Unfortunately, I'm really not unemployed. Just kidding. Just kidding. I have money, guys. I think I'm turning slow. Okay, bye.